How to rename file in Android Studio. So this is a question someone asked. So as you can see, my name of application is my application. So if you want to change it, you're just gonna go and click on the application itself there, then click on refactor, then rename. So if you want to rename, if you want just to rename some things, don't click on the second one, click on all directories, then click on there, just write the name that you want, save application or whatever you want to name it as, then you just click on refactor. So this refactor will change the names of everything of how it was saved. So yeah, so once you've done that, don't forget to import the libraries into the new application that you have renamed as. Then go to build, then clean project, and then just rebuild the project so that the modules are working properly. So as you can see, it takes a while, but when it has run, you're good. Yeah, so like and subscribe. If it helped you, share with someone, comment if it helped. If it didn't, also tell me, you can figure out. Yeah, see ya.